Most people think belly dancing is just about hips, but the real magic is in the arms. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Leena and today we will learn about snake arms. Snake arms are all about flow and control. First, pelvic bone tuck in, your chest lifted up, shoulders, roll it back, squeeze it down and relax. So we begin squeezing your shoulder up, release an elbow out, bring your wrist up, your elbow goes down, your knuckles, and releasing those fingers, and your arm is extended. There is a soft bend in the elbow that happens at the end of the move. Again, squeeze your shoulder up, release it an elbow out simultaneously, and when your wrist comes up, your forearm starts coming up, your elbow starts going down, and release those fingers, and your palm is facing downward and straight. Do not touch your fingers. Your palm goes something like this: 1, knuckles and fingers release, 1, 2 and 3. It's like a water wave. The similar thing that you're doing with your wrist, your palm, your fingers is what you're going to do with your arms. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure when you're going up and coming down, it's in one level. Your arm stays in one level. It's not going outer side, inner side. Your shoulder is not rotating. It's squeeze up, up, up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just imagine there's this one horizontal line and you stick in that one line, and when you're bringing it up and down, again you're staying in the same line. The arms are not going back or forward or in a circular motion, or you're taking your elbow and wrist all in a circular motion. It's just straight. Let's try the same thing on the other side. Make sure your pelvic bone is tucked in, chest up, shoulders rolled back. No matter what part of the body is moving, stick to your belly dancing posture. Let's start. Squeezing your shoulder up, release an elbow out, and your wrist comes up, your forearms comes up, knuckles and your fingers releasing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Now same thing on the other side. Bringing your arms down slowly as if you're painting a wall. Your palm is facing outward and upward. Alright, pelvic bone tuck in, chest up, shoulders rolled back, arms cross. Make a big circle, open up that chest, slowly come down, starting with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly bring it down. Start, when you're bringing it down, start at the same time with your other arm, squeezing, releasing, releasing, releasing. When you start bringing it down, similarly to the other side, start squeezing, elbow out, wrist out, and release. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll try this with our extended arms, and our snake arms are going to stay at the chest level. It's not going to go up and down completely. Make sure your chest is up, your arms are extended, opened up. Don't get those elbows down or closer to your body. They are more towards the outwards. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, release. You see my arm stays at the same level. It's not going up or going down. It's in one line. Same thing on the other side. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, snake arms. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. So when you do it in a continuity, what happens is when your left arm has started, shoulder, elbow, wrist, and it's already finishing, it's when the other arm starts. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. On that third beat, start with the other arm. That's how the snake arms become. It's like a fluid move. So it's not like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's very robotic. On your third beat, 1, 2, 3, you start with the other arm moving. So it goes like 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. The fourth beat is your fingers just releasing the energy. Very slow. 5, 6, 7. Go with your left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, palm facing outwards, slowly coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both arms, shoulder, elbow, wrist, release. Stay here. Left, right, left, right. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. Shoulder, elbow, wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, snake arms, fluid. Relax your shoulder, upper torso is relaxed, your arms are relaxed. Imagine your waves is just a water wave. You're doing a water wave with your arm. Make sure you're squeezing the shoulders in. It's just not your wrist or your forearms. It's shoulder, elbow, wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go down. So from behind it looks like this. Release it. Bring it slowly down. 1, 2, 3, 4 and down. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, palm down. Squeeze, squeeze, release and down. 1, 2, 3, release. Down. Both arms extended. 1, 2. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Alright, let's do it on music.